Hey, what's up, guys? So we live in Japan, and we noticed that right now in Japan they have just released Bajrangi Bhaijaan movie in one of the theaters
Yeah.
in Tokyo. So maybe we will end up watching the movie, but before doing that, we wanted to watch the trailer as well as react to the trailer. So without further delay,
Let's check.
let's check it out. Let's see what's happening.
मुन्नी तू बोल नहीं सकती। अच्छा एक काम करते हैं कि शहरों के नाम लेते हैं और अगर तेरा घर वहां पर हुआ तो तू हाथ उठा लेना। मेरठ, फरीदाबाद, ग्वालियर, झांसी, पटियाला, अमृतसर, जोधपुर, जयपुर, श्रीनगर। हम हैं पवन कुमार चतुर्वेदी, पर प्रेम से सब बजरंगी बुलाते हैं हम। जय श्री राम। बहन जी, बहन जी।
क्या है? मेरा नाम बहन जी नहीं, रसिका है।
और भी तो लोग रहे होंगे वहां कुरुक्षेत्र में, वो क्यों नहीं ले गए इसे अपने घर?
मुरादाबाद,
झुमरी तलैया,
आसनसोल,
पाकिस्तान।
Ah, that's why she was not responding.
इसे अपने देश वापस भेजने का प्रबंध करो तुरंत।
चलिए हटिए, आप बिना पासपोर्ट के कुछ नहीं हो सकता।
अरे कैसे नहीं हो सकता कुछ? हम कह रहे हैं पाकिस्तानी, घर भेजिए इसे।
सिक्योरिटी,
हम पाकिस्तान का पासपोर्ट नहीं बनाते। लोग यहाँ अमेरिका का पासपोर्ट बनवाना, इंग्लैंड, जर्मनी, जापान का।
अरे अगर मुन्नी पाकिस्तान की है तो जर्मनी जाके क्या करेगा?
Poor girl, they're gonna send her to Germany.
सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरणा, तुम रक्षक का हो को डरना, संकट हरे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमरे हनुमत बलबीरा।
Crossing the desert like that.
हिंदुस्तानी जासूस को कड़ी सिक्योरिटी में रखा जा रहा है। कहा जा रहा है कि उसको यहाँ से सीधा इस्लामाबाद शिफ्ट किया जाएगा। तू किधर शिफ्ट हो रहा है यार? वो देखो।
जनाब बिल्कुल मेंटल है ये। जय श्री राम। हमारे पास पासपोर्ट नहीं है, ना वीजा, लेकिन वादा करते हैं कि अब तो हम मुन्नी को खुद उसके घर छोड़कर ही आएंगे।
ऐसे है भैया बजरंगी,
Such a cute movie.
ऐसे है भैया बजरंगी।
क्या कहा? आप मुझे पसंद करते हो? ओहो, मुझे कैसा पता चलेगा? अरे भाई कमेंट करो, लाइक करो, तो ही तो मैं देख पाऊंगा ना। ध्यान रहे। ऑलमोस्ट सारे कमेंट्स में
I
पढ़ता
don't
हूँ।
think you understand
No,
this
of
portion.
course I do not.
It's just doing what we do at the end of the video, like and comment stuff. So you're saying it's a cute movie?
Yeah, it's a cute movie. Basically, he finds this tiny girl
Yeah.
who's lost
Yeah.
and she cannot speak, and he's trying to find where she's coming from to bring her back. And I'm pretty sure he must have mentioned all the damn cities in India and wondered why she didn't say anything
Yeah.
until he realized she's not from India.
Yeah.
And then, of course, with the relationship between India and Pakistan must be quite something
Yeah,
to
looks like
bring her back.
it's especially bad when
Yeah.
when the movie is taking place. Right?
Yeah, and I'm guessing indeed, like, she's just a kid. She doesn't have a passport on her. How
Yeah.
do you prove who she is? Does she even know who she is? Does she even know an address? It's complicated, isn't it?
Yeah. So yeah, basically he needs to
Bring her back.
bring her back to. I mean, I have to say, like the border area, India, like between India and Pakistan. This is one of the. This is of course Rajasthan. Like we have the desert there, a wonderful place to travel.
Have you
Many-
been?
I haven't been, no.
Oh.
Wonderful place to travel, and then this is again the Himalayas in the Kashmir.
Oh, yeah.
It's beautiful.
हिंदुस्तानी जासूस को कड़ी सिक्योरिटी में रखा
mean,
जा
they will
रहा
show- I
है।
think they
कहा
show
जा रहा
all
है कि
the-
उसको यहाँ से सीधा इस्लामाबाद शिफ्ट
Wow.
किया
Of course, this is a funny scene. He's talking about the the Indian spy who's
Bad timing, isn't it?
yeah
जाएगा। तू किधर शिफ्ट हो रहा है यार? वो देखो।
जनाब बिल्कुल मेंटल है ये।
escaping
जय
from
श्री
the
राम।
prison. Yeah, like this region of yeah, like this region.
Wow. This is the
I would
border?
love-
Looks like it, right?
Yeah, I mean, like we have different like borders. The border between Pakistan and India, it's quite long.
Uh-huh.
So we share a desert,
Mm.
an arid region like a desert,
Mm-hmm.
and we also
And the
share
mountains.
Himalayas.
Yeah.
And I don't know. Do you know K2? It's the second highest.
Oh, K2.
K2,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah. Sorry, my bad.
So K2 is actually in Pakistan.
Oh, yeah.
So they do have a big portion of Himalayas in Pakistan.
Mm-hmm.
There's a big portion of Himalayas in India, and of course, you know, Nepal.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone knows, and then Tibet. So yeah, basically, maybe they do also have, you know, like in Pakistan. I'm not very sure. Maybe also in like Bangladesh and Myanmar, like the lower
Maybe
Himalayas.
yeah.
But yeah,
Oh, it looks like a really cute story. It looks
Yeah.
like he's gonna gather a lot of people to help him convince to send that tiny girl back.
no,
And you can
he
already
crosses the border.
Ah,
I think he crosses the border from India to Pakistan, and that's where he's held by the
oh,
police
makes sense. Yeah, okay,
as an Indian spy,
yeah.
and
Indian
he's
spy.
escaping from the.
Uh,
And then he finally like finds the girl's family and then delivers.
yeah, I'm guessing it's a happy story.
It is a happy story, yeah.
That's really cute. Honestly, yeah, that's really cute.
Hope you can watch this in
Yeah.
Japan. They have,
Yeah.
I don't know. The movie
I'm
was released
surprised why
8 years ago, and then now
why this movie? Why now? It's weird.
I have it's just my feeling, but
Uh-huh.
I think the target audience are not Indians but Japanese,
Mm.
because this is a story which would be appreciated by anybody.
Yeah, I
Right?
think so.
It's just a cute
Yeah.
story. They're not using it. It's not an action movie, so
Mm.
or it's not like a political movie,
Yeah.
which you don't understand. It's just, you know, like
Yeah,
full of human emotions. Anyone can understand it. So
to prove that we're all the same, isn't it?
yeah,
At the end.
because they have some special theaters here. They don't release just new movies. They also release like
Yeah.
critically acclaimed movies from everywhere. They do release a lot of European movies as well.
What do they?
Yeah, they do. So yeah, would be a good experience. It's also cheap. I think it's only like 900 yen or something.
Mm.
So yeah,
Yeah, we don't mind.
you can go catch it. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed our reaction and analysis of the trailer. We are looking forward to watch this movie in
Yeah,
Japan.
it looks so cute.
Probably. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. And if you're watching us, please don't
Don't forget
forget
to
to subscribe.
and
Yeah.
like the video if you enjoyed it.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye bye.